Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? So I don't know if you know by all the other videos I've been posting, I'm in London. So this is another London video, but this time we're stopping in a premiering. So it's me and my sister and her husband that's came to London. I'm staying in one room, they're staying in another. But when I booked, I was just coming originally with me, so I wanted to kind of treat myself. So I paid slightly extra for what they call a Premier Plus room. Um, Excuse me, there's a train going past. All will be revealed later in this video. Um, so I paid extra to get a better room. So they do a standard room, or you can pay extra, like I did, to get a better room. You get so much more perks. It's a more nicer room. So yes. Anyway, so originally it was just me, but then Kay asked if they could tag along as well. So I was like, oh yes, more the merrier. So they booked their room, but they only booked a standard. So I thought it would be a great idea to do this video to compare the two rooms from the same hotel and see what they claim to be a Premier Plus room. So this video is me comparing a standard room, which is £60, I think it was, because when I looked, I was originally just going to go standard, so I think it was £60 for 2 nights versus £74. I know it's only £14 difference. Anyway, let's get into the video. So I've kept my mask on because I am in the hallway speaking quiet because I don't know if anyone's in the rooms. So I'm going to go into the standard one first, show you what a standard one looks like, and then we'll go to mine to see what the Premier Plus one looks like. And also, because my sister's pregnant, I did phone up and they said they was going to put a little surprise in there, so I'm curious to see what the surprise is there for her. So let's get in. So, go in. I don't know if I have to put the card anywhere. Let's just shut the door first. Oh, the lights come on, so walk in. So this is the standard bathroom. Got a shower. That's a nice shower actually. Is that one of those waterfall showers? So nice. Nothing wrong with that. There's me. Oh, I can take this off now. Oh my god, look how red I am. Still warm. This is spare cushions, wardrobe, and that's the bed, but there's no surprise. Sorry, Kay. Should I complain? Because like I feel bad complaining because I offered to do it for free. So have we got a good view? Oh, how do you open this? Can you open the window? Okay, I don't know how to open that. If it opens, so you got a chair. Chair's nice and comfy. So, standard room. I like the purple lighting. This is the first time I've stopped in a Premier Inn. But yeah, nice and basic. So this is a standard TV. And then, now, let's go and see what mine's like. Oh, I feel bad because I'm having it and my sister's not, but I don't know. Let's go and see what it is. So outside my one now, again, same situation. Mask on because I'm in the corridor, speaking quietly. So this is the Premier Plus room, which I had to pay, I think it was £14 extra for. So let's see if it's any better. Oh, if I can't even get in. So let's have a look. Oops, okay. First of all, can you see that? Can't even open the door properly. The See where the marks is on the doors. Let's just put those down. There's a mirror here. I'm going to take my mask off now. So yeah, that is sticking out as well. That is just overhang. So bathroom, sink's the same, walls are painted, exactly the same bathroom, it's just different colours. So that is exactly the same, maybe a different light shade. I've got an ironing board, an iron, and a smaller wardrobe. The bed looks smaller as well, and this is the room. So there's just a few more extra seating areas. What's the view like? There's no view. Oh no, how nice. It's a train station. I like that print on the wall. So I don't think there's that much much about it, to be honest. It's just a different colour theme. Am I a bit? You know what? For the extra money, I don't think this was actually worth it. That's a bit strange. What do you think? I think it is going to be the same bed. Oh, that's very soft. The chair's different, and you get a footstool. Don't think the last one, the standard, had a desk. There's an extra chair here and an extra thing here, so that is weird though about this. Imagine if you've got bags on there and coats, you'd literally struggle to get through the door. But yeah, I think the bathroom is exactly the same. What are your guys' thoughts? Is it worth paying extra to Premiere Plus? I don't know. Let's go away and I'll come back to you at the end. So we've seen the rooms, what do you think?
It's alright.
Is it worth paying the difference?
No.
No. I actually like your room better, which is the standard. It's just got a few less seats in, but other than that, it's pretty much the same. Just not the same price. I like the view better here, because in my one you've got the train station. But just to let you guys know, I did offer to swap, but she's happy with this one, but I actually wanted this one. It's cooler, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's much cooler in this one. I'm boiling. I hope the air conny thing works in my room. But there's no gifts in here, and I don't know what to do about it. Is it rude to complain, or should I just mention it to them?
If they promised, it's not much good.
Yeah, so
Just mention.
I might go down to reception and say, like, oh yeah, I did phone up about a surprise, see what happens. But yeah, I'm going to leave these guys to it, go back up to my room, because I just want to relax now. So, oh my god, how red am I? Yeah, so I'll chat to you in a sec. So, what do we think? Is it worth going to a Premier Inn and paying extra to get a premium Premier Plus room, and paying a bit of extra to get a better room? I don't think this is a better room. I just think it is pretty much the exact same room. Any of the benefits I've had here, I don't feel like I don't know if it's just me that I haven't used the benefits. I mean, like, there's a coffee machine. I don't drink coffee, so I haven't used it. There's an ironing board and an iron. I haven't had the need to iron any of my clothes, so I don't know if they are benefits that I'm actually not taking advantage of. The TV's the same. I've got an extra chair. The Wi-Fi, apparently they've given me Wi-Fi on the house, and it's meant to be 7 times faster than the normal Wi-Fi, which the Wi-Fi is terrible. I've struggled to do anything video related. I don't know, again, if that's because I've been doing a lot of video related like stuff on my phone, which involves a lot more data than I can actually handle, but 7 times faster that to me that sounds like it should be something to brag about, and maybe it is, but I'm just picking at things now. But I would be more than happy to pay the money that a standard room costs for a standard room. That would have been everything that I would have needed, to be honest. So for a Premier Plus room, I don't think it is actually worth it. Yeah, am I picking at it? I don't know. What are your thoughts? Let me know your thoughts down below. And have you stopped in Premier Plus or a Premier Inn hotel in the past? Have you had any experiences? And before I go, I just want to say that we have got a. I went down to reception to ask about the gift that they said they was going to leave my sister, and it was just a day late. They got a box of chocolates and a bottle of Schlur, which apparently went down great. So I'm glad I got that sorted. I felt a bit like off, like asking for it, because they didn't like promise anything. It was the case where I phoned up and I was like, hi, this is the situation. My sister's just found out that she's pregnant. Is there a way that I can arrange something to be put in her room? Referring to, is there something I can buy and then you can put it in the room? And then they turned around and says, oh, you know what, forget about it, we've got it covered, you don't have to do anything. But it was a bit of a shock when I opened the door and there was nothing there. So they did apologise, and the next day a box of Ferrero Rochers and a bottle of Schiller appeared. So all is good in the hood. But yes, I've enjoyed my stay here. I am filming the outro towards the end. I'll go home tomorrow. It has been a nice room, but I reckon a standard room would have done me fine. So I've learnt my lesson, and yeah, stick to being a cheap queen, Matt. Don't pay the extra. It's never worth it. So yes, I am going to love you and leave you. Thank you for watching this video. So it's goodbye from me, Matt. Goodbye from Rainbow Soul, and stay sassy.